Hi everyone, welcome back to my math classes. You're learning with Naeem. Today we are going to proceed with practical geometry. Exercise 7.2 in state syllabus. This is exercise 4.2 in NCERT syllabus. We are going to construct the quadrilateral. This is what is given in your textbook too. You can see here we are going to construct quadrilateral lift. We are going to do quadrilateral gold and we are going to do rhombus bend. So we are going to cover all the three problems from the textbook. As usual, let us start quadrilateral lift. So we are going to do a rough diagram of a quadrilateral and we are going to name it as lift, L-I-F-T, lift. So Li here is given 4 centimeter, IF is 3 centimeter, FT is not given, TL is 2.5 centimeter, LF, which is the diagonal, is 4.5 and IT, which is another diagonal, is 4 centimeter. Now let us start. Let us first draw this part of the quadrilateral shaded figure. So Li is 4 centimeter. Let us start with 4 centimeter. Li is 4 centimeter. So we are going to draw a 4 centimeter line. Name it as Li. Now we need to draw a diagonal 4.5 centimeter LF. So take this measurement from 0 till 4.5 LF, from L 4.5. IF is 3, so from 0 take measurement till 3. And draw from I F as 3. Don't do this, children. Don't draw a overlining. 2 arcs is not a good construction. So one single arc. This what I did, I'm going to do it again because arcs should meet. Arcs are not meeting, so let me do this again. 4.5 measurement arc. Now this point where it is joining is called F. Join the lines, name it 3 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Now the next we are going to draw this part which is LTI. So LT is 2.5 and Li is 4. So I am going to take 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. IT is 4 centimeter. So from here I am going to draw 4 centimeter. LT is 2.5, so I'm going to take 2.5 measurement and draw arc from here 2.5. I've got the point. This is the point F and this is the construction we need to do, and this is the quadrilateral we have achieved. This is 2.5 centimeter and this is the diagonal which I need to join, which is 4 centimeter. I hope you have understood, children. Let's move on. Next is quadrilateral gold. So let us start. GOLD, gold. I am going to take the measurement GOLD, gold. Why did I take G up? You will know now. OL is given, so whichever is the first measurement given, I usually take that as base. LD 5, GD 6, OG is not given. OD is given, which is this part, which is 10. LG is given, which is this part, which is 6. So I'm basically going to construct this part first. So let us start with 7.5 measurement. So from 0 till 7.5, this is OL, 7.5 centimeter. Then I need OD 10 centimeter. So open your compass, open up. Yes, it's gonna be a big measurement. So 10 centimeter. So from O, mark 10 centimeter. From LD it should be 5. So 5 from O till 5 we are going to mark this. Yes, exact. So this is going to be 5 centimeter. This is the common point which is named D. Join LD, join OD. This is 5 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Now next I am going to do LG because I know LG is 6 centimeter which they have given. So I am going to take 6 centimeter measurement and I am going to mark the arc. So 6 centimeter LG, mark an arc. And then I have the other side which is GD as 6 centimeter. Again, same measurement. This is also 6 and from here also I have 6. So let me cut it here. Yes, this is the point G. So from here is this point and from here I got this point which is 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. I am going to join OG. This is my quadrilateral GOLD gold. I hope you have understood. Let's move on. Let's do third problem. Construct a rhombus bend. So this is my rhombus. As you know, I start my base with the first measurement BN. So I take BN this. So if I take this as BN, where will be my ED? Anywhere BEND, bend. So I will start with the initial measurement. My BN is 5.6. I know rhombus, all sides are equal. So, but here sides are not given. Here 2 diagonals are given. This diagonal is 6.5. How I'm going to do it? You can do it with me. You will learn how to do it. So, start, put a line. 0 to 5.6 is BN, which is 5.6 centimeter measurement. Now, what do? We are going to draw 6.5 from center. How are we going to draw 6.5 from center? In order to draw 6.5, children, if we take diagonal BN, children, 5.6, it is not possible to take DE 6.5. So let us change this and let us take this as the other diagonal. Let us take diagonal DE which is 6.5 centimeters. So let us take DE as 6.5 centimeter. This is DE which is 6.5 centimeter. Now I am going to draw perpendicular bisector. More than half, take more than half and cut and draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now, this is the diagonal. I'll just join it. This is the diagonal. Now, this is the another diagonal BN. BN should be 5.6. What is half of 5.6? It is 2.8. So, here it should be 2.8 centimeter and here it should be 2.8 centimeter. So, take your compass, measure 2.8 centimeter here and from center cut on this line 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter. This is the required point diagonal which is our BN. Now with that point join the other points to make a rhombus BEND bend.